guys, this is your boy MNTBN.
Yo guys, this is your boy MNTBN up for another video, and today's video, here's another episode of Karaoke with the boy. So today's video, we are going to sing Ed Sheeran's Supermarket Flowers because this is a very awesome song and this is a very nice song. So what are we waiting for? Let's start, guys. Okay, so this is a highly requested Mangwin web video. Put our headsets on. What is that? I took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the catwalks and cards and stuffed animals. Pour the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But Mom, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fall down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. Wow. Aww. So nice. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up. Folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John says he dropped and put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. An angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, you say hallelujah, you're home. Oh. You're home. Shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, said hallelujah, you're home. Oh. Wow. This song is just a really, it's really perfect. When I first heard it, it opened my heart and I just felt goosebumps in my drama. You know, eh? So that's it, guys. That's this episode of Karaoke with your boy. That's all, and thank you for watching this video. Comment down below what song I will sing next. And thank you for supporting me, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Also, watch my videos on Facebook, guys. I will put the link below. And also, if you're watching this on Facebook, watch also my videos on YouTube, and I will also put the link on the caption. So that's it. It's for my bye bye.